This was the first gift I gave to my dog at his birthday party to open. He was wearing a shirt and bow tie. I made him a homemade cake of his favorite food items and wrapped all his presents to see him tear into them. Since opening Lambchops, he sleeps on top of her, walks around with her, and genuinely likes her. Maybe a little too much, since he has been found in questionable situations with her. As I type this, he is grooming Lambchops in such a loving way that his eyes are closed as he licks her fur. He is weird. 5 stars.